and welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute.
Good morning and welcome to today's Monday Morning Minute. It was great to see several familiar faces and new faces down in Florida at the Florida Dental Convention, where Dr. Jared and Dr. Todd gave a phenomenal lecture. On today's Monday Morning Minute, we'd like to highlight the feedback we receive constantly from the clinicians that attend our training courses here in Buffalo, New York. Between the case presentation, the hands-on training, and the live surgery portion of our courses, you truly gain value clinically as well as running an implant practice that you receive in Buffalo, New York, and it's very hard to find elsewhere. But don't just take it from me. Here are some of the doctors that travel all the way to Buffalo, New York from across the country to attend our training seminars.
So I would highly recommend doctors coming here. I wish I would have come here sooner. I wish I would have, back in the day, done a residency here if I would have known about it.
My practice is in a retirement community, so really good place to do implants. I've taken classes for standard conventional implants, and I kind of like this better.
I got the Shadow Todd yesterday, and it was awesome. His energy, what he does for the general dentist, making people feel comfortable putting these in, is just incredible.
So when I first became a MDICA, I had the opportunity to actually live shadow Dr. Shatkin, and I did the second time of live shadowing just the other day. You get to see exactly how he approaches a patient, how he sells the cases, and also how you'll learn how to place those implants.
And Todd is amazing to watch, and I mean, he is the leader in the field. So I love coming here, the camaraderie, even with other dentists. I think it's just such a great opportunity for the dentists and also to provide such a great service for patients.
Well, I already have patients scheduled for conventional implants, but now I'm thinking of changing to mini implants because of the fact that it's very conservative.
It's a system that most people can learn if they want to do surgery.
Every time I come, I pick up something new. It's always great to pick up one little thing that'll improve your procedure on how to take care of patients.
It's a very comprehensive training you have here. Seeing it, with live patients makes it the best.
I think we can get patients stabilized in dentures that can't normally just afford the traditional full size. So I think we're going to be able to help a lot more people.
I think that if somebody wants to start with implants, I don't know of any other place that will help the doctor as much as I've experienced here. I haven't experienced it anywhere else, so.
The experience and knowledge these dentists are gaining here at our training courses equip them to immediately implement into their practice as soon as they get back. I'd like to highlight some of our upcoming training courses that we'd love to see you. Our first one is going to be August 7th and 8th in Branson, Missouri, which is our International Academy of Mini Dental Implants. The next one is an intro course on September 17th and 18th here in Buffalo, New York. After that, we'll be down in Florida again in Palm Beach Gardens on October 2nd and 3rd at the PGA Resort. And then finally, we wrap up the year with our highly anticipated November Advanced course with Dr. Gordon Christensen on November 12th, 13th, and 14th. Please call Shatkin F.I.R.S.T and reserve your seat. These courses will definitely sell out. Thank you, and we'll see you next week on the Monday Morning Minute.